In the previous module of this chapter, Banking, Recurring Deposit Accounts, we covered concepts and solved a couple of problems. Let us now solve some more problems here. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installments. So here you need to find out P. So let us list down what is given here. Deposit account bank for 3.5 years. So N equal to 3.5 years means what? 36 plus months, that is for 3 years, half means 6, so it is 42. Then maturity amount is given, interest rate is given, R equal to 12%. Then maturity amount is 10,206 rupees. You need to find out P. P is how much? What is the formula for maturity amount? MA equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 to R by 100. Now maturity amount is given. Let us put it first here. 10,206 rupees. Into here P is common. So let me take P outside. N I will keep. So because we have to find out P. So P if I take it out, here only N is remaining. What is N? N is 42. Plus N into N plus 1. That is 42 into 43 divided by 2 into 12 into R. R is 12% divided by 100. So 42 plus here 12 gets cancelled with this, 2 goes with this, 21. So what remains here is 42 plus 43 into 21. So let me calculate 43 into 21. So 43, so 86. So it is 903. So it is 903 divided by 100. Now with the LCM, this can take us divide by 1. Now cross multiply. So this is 4,200 plus 903 divided by 100. So equal to P. So 4,200 plus 903. So it is 5,103 divided by 100. This is equal to the maturity amount 10,206. So therefore now let us calculate the P. P equal to, let us write this one first, 10,206. 5,103 will come to the denominator. 5103 will come to the denominator and 100 will go to the numerator. Now this one is 1 times, this is 2 times. So the monthly installment is rupees 200. Next problem. Mrs. Geeta deposited rupees 350 per month in a bank for 1 year and 3 months under recurring deposit scheme. If the maturity value of the deposit is rupees 5,565, find the rate of interest per annum. So here we need to find the rate of interest. So what is the data given here? deposit amount P, deposit amount per month, it is rupees 350. So for how many months? Number of months? 1 year and 3 months, that is 12 plus 3, that is 15 months. So then what is given? Maturity amount. So maturity amount is 5,565. Now number of months is given and deposit per month is given. So what is the total deposited, the amount deposited? So total amount deposited. Total amount deposited is always P into N. So this is 350 into N. N is 15. So this comes to rupees 15. So it is 50 to 50. Now you know the total amount deposited and we know the maturity amount. Maturity amount is here. This is the maturity amount. So total amount deposited plus interest is the maturity amount. So how will you calculate the interest here? So interest I equal to, so maturity amount minus total deposit amount. So this is 5565 minus 5250. So this is equal to rupees, it comes to 5. So 6 minus 5, 1. So rupees 315. Interest earned is 315. So what is the formula for interest earned? I equal to P into N, N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R. R is the rate of interest. R divided by 100. We don't know R here. R we need to calculate. So interest earned is 315 rupees is equal to P. P is 350 into N. N is 15. 15 into N plus 1, that is 16, divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So in this case, this 0 goes for this, then so I'll say this is 8, this is 5, 5 1s are 5 3s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 2, it's cancelled. So this is 35R. So 35R is equal to 315. Therefore, R is equal to 315 divided by 35. So let us divide by 5. 5 7s are 5 6 3 3 9 times. So rate of interest is 9%. Next problem. A recurring deposit amount of rupees 1200 per month has the maturity value of rupees 12,440. If the rate of interest is 8% and interest calculated at the end of every month, find the time in months of the recurring deposit account. Here we need to find out the duration of the recurring deposit, that is N. So what is the data given here? So deposit amount per month it is given, that is P equal to rupees 1200. Then maturity amount is also given. So maturity amount is 12,440. This is rupees. And interest rate R is given, that is 8%. So we need to calculate N. So what is N here? Now let us write the formula. Maturity amount equal to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Let us substitute the values here. We know the maturity amount. Maturity amount is 12,440. That is equal to. Now here I'll take P out. So if I take P out, what is remaining here is N plus N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now let us substitute the values. P is 1200 into N plus, this is N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R. R is 8 here, divided by 100. 2 ones are 2, 4 times 4 ones are 4, 3. So 1200. Now this one N plus, let us multiply this one. This is N square plus N divided by 3 into 100, 300. (1200) into, now the LCM is 300, so it is 300 in the denominator here, 300 N plus N square plus N. Now this 300, let us cancel it. 300 ones are 300 4 times. So this is 4 into N square plus 301 N. That is equal to 12,440. Now let us divide all by 4. So this is 12,440 divided by 4 is equal to N square plus 301 N. So this is 4 ones are 4, 3, 1, 1, 0. So now we can write this an equation, that is N square plus 301 N minus 3110 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Let us solve this equation and solve for N. Now 3110 can be written as 311 into 10. So this one, let us split this one as N square plus 311N minus 10N minus 3110 equal to 0. So let us take N outside. So N plus 311 minus, let us take 10 outside. So this becomes N, this minus becomes plus here, 311 is equal to 0. Therefore N plus 311 into N minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore N plus 311 equal to 0, or N minus 10 equal to 0. In this case N is equal to minus 311. In this case N equal to 10. This answer is not possible because N is negative. N cannot be, number of months cannot be negative. So the answer is the number of months equal to 10. Next problem. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% annual interest. If he gets rupees 1200 as interest at the time of maturity, find 1. the monthly installment, 2. the amount of maturity. So what is given here? The first is the duration of the account, that is 2 years, n equal to 2 years, that is 24 months, and rate of interest is given, that is 6%. He gets 1200 as the interest at the time of maturity. So the interest is given, so I, that is rupees 1200. You have to find the monthly installment. So what is the formula for interest I? In interest I equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. I is given, that is 1200. We need to calculate what? The first monthly installment, that is P. P is not known, so P we need to find out into n. N is 24, n plus 1 is 25, R is 6 here, divided by 2 into 12 into 100. 2 into 12 goes for 24, 25 once, 25 4 times, 2 times and 3 times. So this is 3P divided by 2, that is equal to 1200. So therefore P equal to, let us write 1200 first, and 2 goes to numerator into 2 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 here, 400 times 400 into 2, that is rupees 800. So monthly installment here is rupees 800. So what next we have to find out? The maturity amount. So maturity amount is the total installment paid. So total amount deposited plus the interest. What is the total amount deposited? Monthly you have deposited 800 into how many months? 24 months, plus the interest. Interest is 1200. So 24 into 800. So 24 into 800, 0, 0, 8, 4, 32, 16, 19. 19,200 is the total amount deposited, that is 19,200, plus the interest received is 1,200. So the total maturity amount is 20,400 rupees.